To start customizing your lock screen on a Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to open our settings. Then move into the wallpapers and style and click on the lock screen on the left side. Now you'll be able to adjust all of those settings visible right here. So the first one on top is a clock. You can customize the clock with different fonts, different style, and also different colors. You can even adjust the size for it or move it in to the different area. So we have that established. We can move to the widgets. We can add different widgets, and depending on the apps you have installed, it may change, so you can choose whichever one you like, and then it should be displayed right under your clock. Next is the contact information on the bottom. You can enter any text that you want to be visible there. Then we can also add two different shortcuts to quickly, for example, turn on or off torch, and we can also access camera without any problem. Then there's an option to change the wallpaper for our lock screen. And also on the bottom, for some of the wallpapers, you can change the style or add different effects. For this one, it's not available, but you can click on them if you have them and then adjust it to your liking. So now when we have our lock screen done, we can lock our device, try to unlock it, and here it is after the change.